And here we have a Henry Golden Boy. And here's what it comes with. Comes with the rifle, obviously, and I think just a lock. And probably instructions, possibly. Take this out for you. Yeah, it's got instructions too in here. Yeah, the basic stuff. Basic stuff you get when you buy one. You always get a lock. Here she is. It's a pretty fancy gun. Very nice looking gun. So a little bit about Henry Repeating Arms. The company, its headquarters are in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. And they have two manufacturing plants. One's in Rice Lake and the other one is in Bayonne, New Jersey. They're also adding another facility in nearby Ladysmith, Wisconsin, which is less than an hour away from their headquarters in Rice Lake. The new facility will be initially machining parts to supply the main plants, with room to expand. Henry was started in 1996 by Louis Imperato and his son Anthony in Brooklyn, New York. Henry Repeating Arms is named in honor of Benjamin Tyler Henry, who invented and patented the Henry lever-action rifle in 1860. There's no ties with the original Ben Tyler Henry rifle. Anthony Imperato secured the trademark to the Henry name in '96. So this thing is available in 22 short, long rifle as one chamber. So this one is that one. You can see right there. Short, long rifle. Or you can get it in a different chamber, 22 Magnum, or you can get it in 17 HMR. This one, the short, long rifle, holds 16 rounds of long rifle and 21 rounds of short. The 22 Magnum one holds 12 rounds and the 17 HMR holds 11 rounds. The gun weighs about 6 3/4 pounds. So it is a hefty gun, but I guess you get what you pay for, right? And, you know, you got a lot of iron there, a lot of good quality parts. It's got a 20-inch blued steel octagon barrel with a 1/16 twist. So you see the octagon, the 8-sided. It's a more expensive barrel. The gun is 38.5 inches long total. The rear sight's fully adjustable semi-buckhorn with diamond insert. There you can see it. And the front sight is the brass bead. It does have scope mountability. It's got drilled and tapped holes. Scope mount type is GB CSM. The stock is American walnut, so it'd be walnut. Nice wood finish, wood grain. The butt plate pad is brass, and the receiver finish is brasslite. So this has a safety right here that's quarter cock. So right there is actual safety of it. So it just goes out quarter. And it does have an adjustable rear sight, and it's got a little screw right here that would move that back and forth, and then you'd slide this to raise it. It's got these stepped this step bracket here for that. I don't think we've adjusted it though, right?
I don't think so. I don't think we ever got that far with this thing.
But maybe we should.
It definitely should be sighted in and zeroed out, because I mean, what good's a gun that ain't sighted in?
And it is ambidextrous because it's symmetrical, so you can shoot it with left or right. It doesn't really matter because everything is symmetrical.
Yeah, there's really no controls on one side or the other.
It is a very smooth lever action. Henry's are known for that. If you look at Henry's website, most of their guns are lever action. They got some shotguns that are like single load. Otherwise, almost everything they make is lever. It's a good looking gun though. Very popular.
That's like one of the top rifle or raffle guns that they raffle off, is the 22 Golden Boy.
Got this nice wraparound brass here. Comes way down here like this. And then this I think is a nice accent to it. Even the brass screws here are nice. Hey, what kind of gun is this?
Henry, repeating arms.
Yes. All right. So to load this thing, it's unloaded and it's on safety. You turn this a little bit out of this groove and then pull it. And then dump some out here. Got 10. The nice thing about these lever actions is they'll take almost anything you got. You know, they'll take those three sizes: short, long rifle. You're not limited to just a long rifle, which is the most common. But you can load it here, but I think they put this in here for, you know, maybe so your hand stays away from the end of the barrel.
I should get a better view of that, or a closer view.
Just throw them in here.
Did you see how much this holds?
16. I'm just gonna put 10, so we have 10 on the target. One drawback to these is you have that safety factor where your hands are by the end of the barrel here to get this out, which is an advantage to the magazine fed, but if you know it's unloaded, it ain't gonna go off. Ask the people on the left. Well, guns just grow legs and walk and shoot people. So if they'd actually use them though, they would see that they don't do that by themselves. Got a nice sunset. I'm shooting Winchester Super X and 22 long rifle, 40 grain, 1280 feet per second. All right, so my target's at 50 yards. I'm gonna start with the left target. That's too low for me. Safe. Here's my 5 shots. What do you think? Packs a punch, doesn't it?
Yes.
Oh, that was some shotgun, obviously. So here we are. There's our 5.
So yeah, you're coming in low at 50.
Look at it. I made that.
Yeah. Although too bad you were aiming for the center, huh?
Yep, I was aiming right there. Let's see if we can adjust it a little bit.
Yeah, let's try going 1 notch.
So right now it's set all the way down. This is just the way it came out of the box. So I'm going to put it up 1. Actually, I'm going to go right there because it wasn't really raising it up much with the first one. I'm going to try that. It was a little bit to the right. It says to just tap this. But I'm going to leave that alone. We'll see what happens. Well, it's a similar group. New ones are here. Looks like. And
I wonder if I shouldn't shoot it now.
Huh?
I wonder if I shouldn't shoot it.
Well, I think it needs to go up more. No doubt, it hardly moved. All right, we should be good. I went up 2 here, so we'll see what it does. Okay. This could be operator here. I got 2. So let's switch operators and you shoot it. All right, we're gonna switch shooters.
Okay, first we gotta eject the spent round and chamber into one.
And she's ready. I think you're out, I think. Try it.
Yep.
All right, so you have here, and here, right?
Yeah, I would think so. And I was shooting right with it the other day too.
All right. So I loaded 15. We're gonna go down 1 with the sight. So here's where we're at. A lot of new ones here. 15 of them were shot at it. He shoots right, so we're gonna try a new target, and then I'll try it. Looks like the elevation's good though. All right, 15 at the new target on the right. Should be empty. Yep. Well, there we got. There are all 15 of them. They probably could be adjusted a little bit better, but it's not the worst.
Yeah.
It's better than it started out. I think some of it's just how you get that bead put in the rear sight. I did get 3 bullseyes.
Yeah, and that's 50 yards, so.
So all in all, the Henry Golden Boy 22 long rifle. It's a pretty nice gun. It's made in Wisconsin where we are, so that's pretty cool. We should really have more Ammo Inc. ammo because they're also made in Wisconsin. Nice, well-built rifle, I think. What do you think?
Definitely well built. That barrel is like
It's
way
beefy.
overbuilt.
It's beefy. And it's got a very smooth action too.
Yeah, that's the mark of a higher quality gun, is like the way the action works and all that. That's one you can even hang on the wall or get as a collector's item.
Yeah, I wouldn't be if this would be a nice thing to hang on a wall or you want in a case or whatever. Very sharp looking with that walnut. Only thing is we notice is that it is a little slippery here. You don't have like a rubber or any kind of grooves, so it does slip around a little bit on your shoulder, especially when you're doing the action, the lever action. It's kind of moving around, but you can probably get used to that too.
Well, you could put what is it, limb saver on there, and then you'd actually have like some rubber over the stock to help reduce that.